What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your Roblox game and interface language on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Navigate to roblox.com. From here, click on the gear icon on the top right to access your settings. In the Account Information tab, under Personal, you have the option to change your language. This will be set to English by default, and you can change it when clicking on English to expand the drop-down menu. Some languages have an asterisk, which means that the language is not fully supported by Roblox.com, while some experiences may use the selected language. After selecting the correct language, make sure to save your changes. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.